Hello everybody and welcome to our POV test drive of this 2022 Kia Stinger Refresh. So as you can see, Kia has done some updates to this Stinger for the 2022 model year. I'll look around the exterior real fast to give you guys a little look at what they did different with the outside. As you can see, the grille, the emblem, stuff like that's a little bit different. Taking a look at the back here, we've got some updated tail lights, some bigger exhaust with a little bit of a meaner sound now. When you walk up to the vehicle, the mirrors will fold out. This is your key right here. Has the updated design with remote start and the Kia emblem. And taking a look at the interior here. We do have a new interior updates as well as with the exterior, including the seats. Being the GT2, we have the Napa leather with the new tile design. I really like this. Feels very premium as well. And with your door trim, you have some special stitching details as well as real aluminum. And just kind of looking around the cabin real fast, we have a soft touch plastic on the upper dash, a leather material through the middle with the double stitching detail, and we do have some genuine aluminum trim in the middle, so it's a very nice, very premium cabin. So as far as our gauges here, we have a classic analog gauge with a 7-inch display right there in the middle. It does have the blind view monitoring system, which is a very handy feature. I don't know if you can see it, but we also have a head-up display up there as well. And one of the big upgrades is the fact that we now have a 10.25-inch display standard on every model versus the previous 7 and 8-inch displays, which were certainly not as premium as this. Definitely is a lot more responsive, a lot more high quality, very slim bezels, so it looks very premium. We do have the electronic shifter. I'll go ahead and show you what reverse looks like. This is your 360 camera. You have several views to pick between. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to what you really came for. Let's take it out for a drive. Just go ahead and remind you guys, right at this point, we are recording this with binaural audio, so you have a 3D soundscape. So would recommend go ahead and get your headphones out if you haven't already for that full 3D experience. And we'll just start everything off in the standard normal mode. This continues to be a very quick vehicle for 2022, like it always has been. So this is 3.3 liter twin turbo V6 engine, 3 more horsepower than last year, so it's 368 horsepower, 376 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 is going to be 4.7 seconds according to Kia. I would definitely say that's an accurate estimate from behind the wheel. Performance-wise, this remains very strong. You have fantastic driving dynamics. As you can see, look at how flat everything corners. Great body control, very nice feeling steering. And we're just in the normal mode, like I mentioned. I'll put it into the sport mode here in a second. Now, like always, I'll remind you with the POV drives, we do have a full review where we have all the details about the entire Stinger, exterior, interior, as well as our detailed driving impressions. That's where you can look if you want to get those detailed driving impressions. However, for this review, I'll just point out a few things and we'll mostly just enjoy the ride. Yeah, the new active exhaust makes a lot of difference, especially when you get into sport mode, and everything really gets amped up. A few more specs I'll go ahead and point out. We do have an 8-speed automatic transmission aboard, which you can use the paddles as well. This is a rear drive based vehicle, of course. You do have optional all-wheel drive. This one is equipped with all-wheel drive, and it does share some the basic componentry with the Genesis G70. If you're cross-shopping the two, they do have some similarities, although this one does drive a little bit bigger, so it feels a little bit heavier and a little bit more composed. We're sitting still here. I'll give you guys a sample of the Harman Kardon sound system. This motor is always just itching to go.